Hello students. In the previous video, we have discussed about page number 4. Today, in this video, we will start from page number 5. So let's start. Question number B. Look at this picture of a classroom. Look at the things that are numbered. So, here you can see one picture of a classroom is given. And in this classroom, so many things are also given, which have numbers. Now, what you have to do? You have to give tick mark on those things that belong to a classroom. That means you have to give tick mark on those things which we can see in our classroom. Okay? And you have to give cross mark on those things which do not belong to a classroom. That means which we cannot see in our classroom. Okay, students? So let's start. So, number 1. What is this? This is the picture of a clock. So, we can see this in our classroom. Isn't it, students? So, give tick mark here. Okay? Now, number 2. What is this, students? This is the picture of a blackboard. So, can we see this in our classroom? Yes. So, give tick mark. Number 3. What is this, students? This is the picture of a shirt. Give cross mark here because we cannot see shirt or t-shirt in our classroom. Isn't it, students? Then number 4. What are these, students? These are the pictures of chalk. So, can we see this in our classroom? Yes. So, give tick mark here. Then number 5. This is the picture of a brush. Can we see this in our classroom? No, we can see this in our bathroom, isn't it? So give cross mark here. Then number 6. These are the pencils. Can we see this in our classroom? Yes, so give tick mark here. Then number 7. These are the pictures of hand gloves. Okay, students? Can we see these hand gloves in the classroom? No. So give cross mark here. Then number 8. This is the picture of a duster. So we can see this in our classroom, isn't it? So give tick mark here. Then number 9. Students, this is the bottle of a shampoo. Can we see this in our classroom? No. So, give cross mark here. Then, this one. This is the picture of a pillow. So, can we see this in our classroom? No, students. So, give cross mark here because we can see the pillow in our bedroom, isn't it? Now, the last picture is a pen. Can we see this in our classroom? No. So, give cross mark here. So, where we can see this? We can see this in our kitchen. Isn't it? That's why give here a cross. Now, come to the next question. Here you have to write the name of things which do not belong to a classroom. That means which we cannot see in our classroom. So students, in the previous question we have already discussed about the names of things which do not belong to a classroom. So I hope all of you can do this at your home. Okay? So before going to the next page, we have to understand that the names of persons, places, animals or things are naming words. Okay? Naming words are also known as noun. Okay, students? Now let's move to the next page. Write these words in the correct columns. So here you can see some words are given and one table is also given. So what you have to do? Here in this table, in the first column, you have to write the name of person. Then in the second column, you have to write the name of places. In the third column, you have to write the name of animals. And in the last column, you have to write the name of things. Okay, students? Now let's see which words are given here. So the first word, lion. So I hope all of you know that lion is the name of an animal. So write lion in the column of animal. Okay? Now come to the next word, girl. Girl is the name of a person. So write girl in the column of person. Okay, students? Now the next word, school. School is the name of a place. So write school in the column of place. Next one, home. Home is also the name of a place. So write home also in the column of place. Okay? Then the next word is teacher. Teacher is the name of a person. So write teacher in the column of person. Then glass. Glass is the name of a thing. So write glass in the column of thing. Okay? Then the next word is book. So all of you know that book is also a thing. So write book in the column of thing. Okay? Next one. Next one is peacock. So where you have to write? So you have to write peacock in the column of animal. Very good. Then the next word is brother. Brother is the name of a person. So write brother in the column of person. Next word is elephant. Elephant. What is this? This is an animal. So write elephant in the column of animal. Okay? Next word is spoon. Spoon is the name of a thing. So write spoon in the column of thing. And the last word is classroom. Classroom is the name of a place. So write classroom in the column of place. Okay? I hope all of you have understood this one. Now come to the next question. Now write two more words for person, place, animal, thing. So I hope students, all of you can do this at your home by yourself. Okay? Now come to the next one. Fill in the blanks. So by using these words, you have to fill up these blanks. Okay, now let's see which words are given. Duster, blackboard, pencil, desk and chalk. Now let's see question number 1. The teacher writes with a chalk. Number 2. Jia is writing in her book with a pencil. Number 3. Please wipe the board with the duster. Okay. The children keep their books on the desk. And the last one. The teacher made a drawing on the blackboard. Okay. Now let's move to the next page. Match the words in the columns to make pairs. Now I will tell the words from column A. Number 1, chalk. Number 2, teacher. Number 3, table. Number 4, pencil. Number 5, school bag. Now I will tell the words from column B. Number A, chair. Number B, eraser. Number C, duster. Number D, water bottle. Number E, student. Now students, you have to match these words from column A to column B. Okay? So column A, 1, chalk. So match chalk with duster. Then number 2, teacher. Match teacher with student. Next, table with chair. Next, pencil with eraser. Last one, school bag with water bottle. So, that's all for today. Students, hope all of you have understood everything from chapter number 1. Next day, we will start the next chapter. Thank you.